Jersey, and you're watching Twin Sports TV.
And it's our live, uncut, unscripted segment where the cameras rolling.
Anything goes.
We here for the March Madness in Manchester,
yeah.
and we getting it in
With a whole lot of basketball.
Hey, we snagged one of
We
the athletes.
snagged them.
Cute little athlete. We're going to talk to her for a second.
What's your name and what team do you play for?
My name is Raven Zamai, and I play for Manchester Travel.
Yeah, all right. So how long you been playing for them?
I just started. I've been playing for about a year.
All right. So you just started playing basketball. So what do you like most about it?
Just having fun basically, and being positive towards the game and my teammates.
Hey, I love that answer.
So what grade are you in?
I'm in 6th.
6th grade? All right. Now, I know you've been doing this just for a year, but our slogan on Twin Sports TV is get your game up. What do you do to stay on top of your game?
Just eat healthy, stay positive. I do other sports. I play football.
You play football? Hey, we love football.
It's our favorite sport.
So what made you want to play football?
I have 3 brothers. That one's right there. I just influenced on them. I think I like my abilities to be worked on and always have a challenge.
Okay. So how long have you been playing football?
I just started this year, but I was a captain and I was starting.
Okay, what position do you play?
I played a lineman, a safety, a D lineman, kicker, and punter.
Oh, you all over the place.
So are you fast?
I was the 2nd fastest on the team.
Hey, I love it.
So you fast like Jimmy John speaking fast?
Yeah.
Hey, she said, yeah. I don't know if she know about them sandwiches.
Jersey, do they have them here? All right. That's good. I love it.
So you guys playing today or tomorrow?
A team forfeited us today. We'll be playing tomorrow morning.
All right. So what can we look forward to in the game?
All I gotta say is that we're coming.
Yay, I like that. She confident.
All right. Hey, can you look in the camera, tell all those other basketball players, say, get your game up.
Get your game up.
Woo! We love it. She's a cutie, too.
Twin Sports TV.